Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be learning about virtual environments in Python. Let's get started. Oftentimes, when programmers and developers are creating software, there are specific modules that are reused over and over again. To prevent rewriting these modules over and over again when the developer wants to use them, the code for these modules are put in a packet that the developer can simply download and install when they want to use them. Some of these packets come included in the programming language, while others are written by developers and can be installed as needed. To use the packet, you simply import the package to the script where it is needed and call the methods from there. For example, in Python, to figure out the current date and time, I can simply import the datetime module and call the datetime.now method. Or if I wanted to send HTTP request, I can simply download the request modules from the PyOrg database using the pip command and import it in my script. When these packages are downloaded, they are stored in your computer's local development environment and can be accessed from any script from any folder. You may need only a specific package for a specific project and find that over time, you've downloaded a lot of packages that you've only used once. In addition, certain projects require previous versions of packages that are different from the one that is already installed. Installing conflicting versions of packages can cause your program to crash. To fix this problem, we use virtual environments. A virtual environment is a self-contained directory tree that contains a specific installation for a specific version of Python, along with a number of packages as well. Different applications can use different virtual environments and have specific versions of packages installed in that virtual environment without disrupting other applications and other virtual environments, as well as the local environment. It is basically a self-contained Python development environment that is separate from your local machine's development environment and doesn't affect other packages that you've installed on your computer. To create a virtual environment, navigate to the folder where you want to create the virtual environment, then run the following command: python 3-m venv tutorial-venv. In this case, our virtual environment's name is tutorial-venv. This command will create a virtual environment called tutorial-venv. To use the environment, you will have to activate it. To activate it, run source tutorial-venv/bin/activate. After activating the environment, the bash prompt will change to indicate the environment that you're currently using. In this case, it is our tutorial.venv. You can now install packages using the pip3 command. For example, to install the request package, we simply run pip3 install request. You can check that the packages have been successfully installed by running the pip freeze command. This will list all the packages that have been installed in the current environment, along with the versions of the packages as well. You can also run pip freeze greater than requirement.txt to write all the installed packages into a text file. This is useful as you can use this to keep track of the packages that have been installed in your virtual environment. Similarly, if you have a file that contains the name and versions of the packages you need for a project, you can run pip3 install-r your filename.txt. This will install all the packages listed in the text file to your current environment. When we are done using the virtual environment, we can deactivate it by using the deactivate command. This will restore the shell to its original state, and any further installations will be done on the local environment. If we run pip freeze again, we can see that the modules that we earlier installed in our virtual environment are not present in our local environment. So next time you're working on a Python project, consider using a virtual environment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.